Welcome back, design lovers. Today, we're diving into the latest kitchen trends and sharing some essential tips and hacks to make your space not just functional, but also fabulous. Whether you're thinking of a full renovation or looking for small updates, these trends are sure to elevate any kitchen. Trend 1. Warm, earthy colors. First up, let's talk colors. Warm, earthy tones like terracotta, sage green, and muted gold are taking center stage this year. These hues bring a cozy and grounded vibe to the kitchen, which pairs beautifully with natural wood tones and marble countertops. If a full color overhaul isn't in the plan, consider adding these tones through accent pieces, bar stools, or even a simple backsplash update. Trend 2. Open shelving and display spaces. Open shelving is a big hit this year. It's a great way to showcase your favorite dishware, glassware, or even plants, adding personality and an open feel to the kitchen. For a sleek look, consider floating shelves or clear glass cabinets. Just make sure to keep it minimal, too many items can quickly turn cluttered. Trend 3. Statement lighting fixtures. Lighting is key in creating ambience, and statement lighting fixtures are a trend we can't ignore. Pendant lights above islands, chandeliers over dining areas, or even under cabinet LED lighting are making kitchens both stylish and functional. Try mixing metallics like brass or matte black to add an eye-catching, modern touch. Trend 4. Smart storage solutions. Every kitchen needs more storage, right? Hidden storage solutions like pull-out drawers, corner organizers, and vertical racks are making kitchens more functional than ever. Consider drawer dividers or rolling pantry shelves to keep things organized and easy to access. This is one of the best ways to keep countertops clear, making the space feel more spacious and tidy. Trend 5. Multifunctional kitchen islands. A kitchen island is a must-have, and now they're more functional than ever. Beyond just counter space, islands are being designed with built-in sinks, extra storage, or even hidden charging stations. If you love hosting, an island with bar seating can be a stylish and practical choice. Trend 6. Embracing sustainable materials. Sustainability is trending across all aspects of design, and kitchens are no exception. Eco-friendly choices like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled countertops are popular picks. Not only are they better for the environment, but they also add unique textures and a natural warmth to the kitchen space. Trend 7. High-tech appliances and smart features. The smart kitchen is here. From refrigerators with touch screens to voice-activated faucets, high-tech appliances are making life in the kitchen easier and more efficient. Even adding a smart coffee maker or a Wi-Fi-enabled oven can elevate your kitchen experience and streamline your day-to-day routine. Trend 8, mix of textures and materials. This year, it's all about mixing materials. Think sleek marble countertops combined with rough stone backsplashes, or wooden cabinets with metallic handles. Mixing textures adds visual interest, making the kitchen feel layered and luxurious. Don't be afraid to blend different finishes, it's a great way to add character. Trend 9, large format tiles and backsplashes. Large format tiles and statement backsplashes are all the rage. These bold tiles reduce grout lines, making them easier to clean and offering a sleek, uninterrupted look. Bold marble or colorful ceramic backsplashes also add a focal point that can elevate the entire kitchen design. Trend 10, indoor herb gardens. Finally, bring a bit of green indoors. Small indoor herb gardens are not only functional but also add life and freshness to your kitchen. These can be wall-mounted, placed on your countertop, or even integrated into your kitchen island. Fresh basil, thyme, or rosemary within reach makes cooking easier and adds a lovely natural vibe to the kitchen. There you have it, the top kitchen trends and design hacks for this year. From earthy colors and smart storage to sustainable choices, there's a trend for every style and budget. So, whether you're doing a complete renovation or just want to add a few fresh touches, we hope these tips have inspired you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.